Being here all my life, brought up here in this community all my life, it's quite rewarding seeing people you know, helping them out in your own community, knowing you're making a difference. So arriving now at the job centre where I work, and I'm going to show you how a day in the life of a work coach goes. So here we go. How you doing? Okay. So got a really busy day today, got a lot of appointments, can't wait to get started. So it's the start of the day, gonna log into my computer, see what kind of appointments I've got in the morning. I'll be making sure all the admin side of the job is done so that my day goes easier. Right, so it's time for the first appointment of the day. Right, Adam.
Hi.
Come take a seat.
Ah, thank you.
So how's your job searching going, Adam?
Yeah, it's been good.
So we'll have a look through your CV and see if there's any improvements we can make on it. You see them put in all the hard work of applying for jobs. When they finally get a job, you know how much effort they've put into getting the job. That's a really rewarding part of the job. There's nothing else you can really improve on it. Now it's just using that CV to apply for more jobs. If I go to the local superstore, I'll see the people working there that were once my claimants, and they might say hello to me. It gives me a hug and everything, and it's a good feeling, to be honest. So it's pretty much the most important time of the day to refuel, get a cup of tea, speak to friends. During lunch, we'll all have a nice little catch up. It's just that little mental break, and when you go back into appointments. But with the job centre, it's like a family, the way the people treat you. I feel like since I worked there, you're always feeling comfortable, you're never feeling too much pressure. So one of my customers needs a bus pass to get to the jobs fair we've signed him up for, but I'm not too sure how to do it, so I'm going to get some help. I've been a work coach for less than a year now. I'm pretty new to the role. Everyone's on hand to support you. Hiya. Yeah, I was wondering if you can help me. If someone sees that you're struggling, they'll themselves come over and help you.
Just contact the customer by journal message.
Even though I've not been here long, I feel like I've been here a long time. That's perfect, I'll send him a message now. Thank you for that.
Okay.
Thank you. If you were looking to being a work coach, I would totally recommend that you go for the job. You're going to be helping people that are part of your local community. Seeing people that you've worked with for so many weeks eventually find a job. I might see someone working and they might say hello to me. Just knowing that you played a hand in that, you have a feel-good factor when you're working. So that's a day in the life of a work coach. I'm done for the day. I'm going to go play some football and I'll be back tomorrow.